bag. They had deep-fried gizzards.
Ooh, hey, I
No,
found
I
you.
don't think so.
Come on. What is the password, T-Bag?
You sicko.
Why do you guys say
I
it
think
all
that
weird?
I think that was you this time, William.
It's not raw. Dude, imagine if there was a gas station in Homer that sold deep-fried gizzards.
I'd eat it.
So good.
God bustin' BJ.
Contamination.
Man, everybody has cool names, and then there's me.
I like that name.
Super lame.
Oh.
Hey guys, listen to this. Darn it. Never mind. It was a dud.
What are you guys doing?
Downstairs.
We're pressing
Yes.
B.
Yeah.
Such a
Oh,
fag.
that's a cool one. What do you have? What's your face? Riley?
Taking a picture.
Oh, hey guys, I have a good one.
Sure, T-Bag's supposed to have that one.
Dude,
I
I
don't
had
think
some
you can get
people.
that anymore.
I think I might have got grandfathered in. I haven't seen anybody else with it yet. But there were some people who were talking. Oh man, okay.
I'm gonna hide in the corner.
What? No.
What a loser, man.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2,
I've been playing
1.
Minecraft by myself for the last 2
Free-for-all.
hours.
Lost the lead.
Did I like take it a little easy?
Yeah. I just got killed by BJ.
I just killed BJ.
Yeah, who the heck is Gamer Gal?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I was like, what the heck is this?
Who is Gamer Gal?
You done didn't. Yeah.
Dang it, I actually thought I got one of you. No.
Wow. Whoever it is that's down there that's shooting back and forth at me.
Killed the same NPC like 3 times.
Dude, this Gamer Gal has killed me 3 times.
Oh. Nah, it's making everyone look embarrassed. That's good. Hey, I killed another bot.
I know, I was like, it sounds like you guys all need to get better then.
Yeah, the bots are good practice. I'm okay with them.
Your mom's good practice.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that was good.
That was good. Well played.
That was kind of an accident.
Yeah, okay. You're like, oh, there's Riley.
Okay, who went and
That
picked
was
up the
okay.
railgun?
You know what? You're on.
Double
Oh, wait.
kill.
No!
People keep picking up all the cool guns. They're not around anymore.
Fucking NPCs are like going for him.
Wow, T-Mac, you were low on health.
I think BJ might have a better ping than me. And also Riley.
Good excuse. Yeah, not this time.
Thought you did. That's why I was kind of surprised.
Oh, turn on me.
Oh. Ouch. It was Caitlyn behind me hitting me. How's the person? Oh, she
Hit you once.
Yeah, it was still.
I want a bed.
I don't like that gun.
Who's Evasion X?
You really just came in to finish me off, huh?
Kingslayer.
Get out of here, T-Mac. I was shooting at somebody else.
Who's avenging me?
You killed me already. You killed me once before, dude. Yeah.
Wow. What a camper. What a camper.
I had to get the kill. It was important.
Oh, I keep hitting shift for...
Wow.
I don't know what I was saying anymore.
Oh! No, almost. Too predictable.
Kingslayer.
Oh my goodness, I could not hit that last shot there. I was wrecking you from the beginning, T-Bag, and then you just whooped up on me. We're gonna get ya. Yeah, there's some pretty good players actually. Wish you guys all played more
I
often.
hit the wrong button. Son of a... Man, this gamer gal is not fair. She's like got a freaking rifle.
Ah.
That was fun. Wow, that didn't work.
Wow.
Just better. Alright?
Yeah. Whatever
Oh,
you,
man.
whatever you need to make yourself feel better.
Man,
Need a little.
I knew I had to act quick. Wow.
Two people shooting at me at once.
Kingslayer.
Somebody just
Stop.
stole my kill.
There!
Shit. That was rude.
Toss the leader. Gain
Oh.
the lead. Killing
Somebody just stole my kill.
double kill.
It's you.